In the world of supercars, Lamborghini has always been a name synonymous with power, performance, and innovation. And when they teamed up with the masterminds of the Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, the result was nothing short of breathtaking. The Lamborghini Terzo Millennio is the all-electric supercar of the future, a machine that fuses the pedigree of Lamborghini with the cutting-edge technology of MIT. The Terzo Millennio, which means third millennium in Italian, is a concept car that embodies the spirit of the future. It is designed to be an all-electric supercar that can compete with the best gasoline-powered cars on the market today. But what sets it apart from the rest is its unique power source. Unlike traditional electric cars, the Terzo Millennio is powered by supercapacitors instead of batteries. Supercapacitors are a new type of energy storage device that can charge and discharge much faster than traditional batteries. This makes them ideal for high-performance applications where quick bursts of power are needed. The Terzo Millennio uses 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, which are powered by these supercapacitors. This gives the car instant torque and lightning-fast acceleration, making it one of the quickest cars on the road. But the Terzo Millennio is more than just a powerful electric supercar. It also incorporates cutting-edge technology that makes it a true masterpiece of engineering. For example, the car's body is made of a new type of carbon fiber that can repair itself. If the car's body is damaged, the material can detect the damage and heal itself, making the car virtually indestructible. The Terzo Millennio also features an innovative active aerodynamic system that adjusts the car's aerodynamics in real time to maximize performance. This system uses a series of sensors and actuators to adjust the car's body shape and airflow to minimize drag and maximize downforce, depending on the driving conditions. And if all of that wasn't enough, the Terzo Millennio also features an advanced driver assistance system that uses artificial intelligence to enhance the driving experience. This system can analyze the driver's behavior and adjust the car's settings to optimize performance and improve safety. Electric hypercars are being made, but now the focus is on the next generation. Even though the Terzo Millennio has an impressive 0 to 60 time and top speed on its specs sheet, it is not a working car at the moment. It is a proof of concept car, which means it was made to show ideas and not to be sold. This idea seems like a philosophical thought experiment, but Lamborghini and MIT are actually trying to build this amazing thing, which seems almost ridiculous when you think about what it could do. The Terzo Millennio's ability to fix its own bodywork and structure is one of the most talked about features of the car. This may seem impossible, but Lamborghini and MIT are working together to make this impossible feature a reality. Their hard work and dedication have made it possible for this technology to move forward. Carbon nanotubes that can store electrical energy will be put between 2 layers of carbon fiber laminates to make the outside layer of the car. These advanced composite body panels will be able to fix themselves. They will be able to check their condition regularly and find any cracks or damage. In damaged areas, the carbon nanotubes in the panels will heat up and seal any tiny cracks they find. This is called self-healing. This will keep small structural problems from getting worse, saving both time and money in the long run. This information is written in a neutral tone and is meant to tell people who already know a lot about general topics. Even in the world of concept cars, the new feature of self-healing has been talked about a lot when inspecting a car before and after a fast drive. The goal of the Terzo Millennio project is to be ambitious and make big changes in the industry. Lamborghini has said that their goal with the Terzo Millennio is to make technological improvements in 5 major areas of building electric supercars: the propulsion system, energy storage, innovative materials, visionary design, and emotion. People think that the ability to heal itself is a big step towards achieving these goals. The car's body is made of new materials that meet the needs of modern technology. From the side, the car looks futuristic, but it still has the traditional lines of Lamborghini cars. If you look at the car from the front or the back, you can see that it has scoops, wings, and vents, in addition to the obvious wind tunnels. When I look at how the car is made, I think of the word striking. It has strong front and back wings, a windshield that slopes down from the roof to the front diffuser, and other features that show off the best of functional design. When the car slows down or speeds up, the side vents open and close, and the rear wing keeps changing to get the right amount of downforce. Even though the car's inside is smooth and cozy in the shape of a teardrop, everything about its outside looks like it means business. Let the Terzo Millennio fly through the air like a peregrine falcon. Instead of batteries, the Terzo Millennio will use supercapacitors to power its electric motors. Battery technology is moving much faster than supercapacitor technology. But if MIT can make the right improvements, supercapacitors will allow the car to charge faster and release energy much more efficiently. The body of the car is made of carbon nanotubes, which also store static electricity. The energy is effectively stored in the whole vehicle, which works like a giant supercapacitor. This makes the weight of the energy storage lighter and more evenly spread out. The Terzo Millennio's propulsion system is made up of 4 electric motors. Each one is inside one of the wheel's lights. If you're wondering where the brakes are on a fully electric car like the Tesla Millennium, you should know that it doesn't need discs or calipers because the motors do the job of stopping the car, which also helps to recover some energy. Officials haven't said much about the Lamborghini EV performance numbers, but Maurizio Riggiani, the company's chief technical officer, has said that the EV Lamborghini must be able to go faster than 300 kilometers per hour for the brand to be worthy of it. On the Nordschleife racetrack, you can try to do 3 laps with a Lamborghini to see how fast it is. To do this, however, the tires would need to be replaced because of wear and tear. Still, Lamborghini is proud to make cars that are exciting to drive, whether they are electric or not. Also, the Lamborghini brand has a strong emotional appeal that makes drivers feel a certain way, like being very close to the ground while driving one of their cars. The car's handling, which is like a train track, and the sound of its powerful V12 engine create a driving experience that is unique to Lamborghini. The driving experience is so unique that people are wondering how the company will bring it to its electric cars. Lamborghini's history has mostly been about their V12 engines, which make a loud, rough sound that is very different from an electric motor's quiet sound. Most people agree that electric cars will never sound like gas-powered cars, which is something that makes some people nervous. Still, the Terzo Millennio electric vehicle does its best to make driving it feel like driving a Lamborghini. To solve this problem directly, the people who made the car are looking into ways to control the flow of air above and around it to make a pleasant musical sound. This would turn the Terzo Millennio into a very fast acoustic instrument. It looks like high-performance cars of the future will have less growling and more whooshing. It's up to you to decide if this is a good thing or not. Some people might think of the Terzo Millennio as nothing more than a silly idea or a daydream, but the vehicle has a lot of potential. Supporting and understanding technology that is brand new or hasn't even been made yet can be hard, but taking risks is a part of this business. With their Terzo Millennio concept, leading company Lamborghini is taking the lead to move the industry forward. This ambitious project wants to go beyond what is possible now and find new ways to do things. Lamborghini knows there are risks, but they also know that in the world of cars, being safe doesn't lead to greatness.